Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. Today I have brought you front bumper for Lexus LS from 2013 to 2017. Includes 460, 460L, 600H and 600HL and extra all LS series from 2013 to 2017. As you can see, the shape of the headlights. No matter how your original headlights are triple beams, has the three beams or a basic like two beams, all fits with this front bumper, as the shape of the headlights are the same, as you see, the same. But this one is a little bit different here because I just brought this bumper to show you the differences between the grills that you can choose. This one is for 2013 to 2015 Lexus ES series. So I have brought you this front bumper along with these two LS bumpers to show you the differences between the grille and air vents, so you can compare and choose the color as you wish. Bumpers are material color is in matte, like this black. The bumper you will receive is like this. Let's go from left to right. So this one is in glossy black. The glossy black, you can see it's very shiny and it's all glossy black, and both the grille and the side air vents are all glossy black. And we have this one. This one is the most popular color that most customers choose, as the color is about same as the original factory-made color. Grille and air vents, both are gray. So if you want one of these two colors, you don't need to add any extra money, gray or glossy black. So you can choose any color you like. But for this one, as you see, it's very shiny and bright because we made this grille and the side air vents silver. Especially this grille is made with plating technology, so it's as bright as the chrome frame around. So very bright, as you see. But this one, these air vents are painted silver, so not as bright as the grille, but it's still brighter compared to the original gray color. So you see here, different color. So all these bumpers includes the front bumper, grille, air vents, and the fog lights, emblem, and plate. And also this has the camera hole and also the parking sense holes here. But if your car has the headlights washer function or parking sensors, we can drill for you, or you can drill yourself. This is very flexible and high quality plastic, so as the same as factory-made OEM PP. So it's a very good quality, but it's plastic, so you can cut yourself, or we can drill the holes and ship. Also, we can provide a painting service according to your VIN number and your color code. This is a brief introduction, and let me show you the details. So please have a look. So this color is most popular in gray. Camera hole. If you have a camera, you can take this plug out and insert. If you don't have, just leave. And parking sensors and these number plates are removable. So if you want, you can insert to here. If you don't want, just leave it. And emblem and the fog lights. Don't need rewiring or stuff. Just put your plug into the plug and that's it. And this one is in glossy black, so very shiny. Very shiny, as you see. Especially, you can compare these two. Chrome grille, very bright. The plating, this grille is plated, not painting, so it's very bright. This one is originally gray. This one is silver, that painted afterwards. So let's have a look at the details and the fitment. All the installing positions are as same as the originally factory made. But as this one is for Lexus ES, so let's skip. So please see the quality. Very thick. And high quality, durable, and original positions for the installation.